The need for a smarter grid. Today's power grids were not built for the demands of tomorrow. Our energy needs are constantly growing due to a rise in population and increased industrialization. It means having a grid that can intelligently manage the flow of electricity, prevent blackouts, and restore power quickly when outages occur. It means having a grid that is more efficient, reliable, and sustainable. At the same time, we're shifting to more renewable energy sources, which introduces new challenges and complexities. One of the biggest challenges has been the lack of interoperability between different systems and the difficulty in managing complex grids, because it enables utilities to improve the reliability and availability of their power systems while reducing the cost of ownership. This results in reduced outage rates and improved power quality for customers. Here are some of the key benefits of implementing IEC 61850. This enhanced situational awareness allows operators to make better decisions and take proactive measures to prevent outages. This is because the standard enables utilities to reduce the number of faults, optimize equipment usage, and improve the accuracy of data. Traditional grid protection systems are typically based on electromechanical devices that are slow to respond to faults and rely on human intervention to isolate faults. By enabling these components to communicate with each other in a standardized way, IEC 61850 allows for the implementation of more advanced protection schemes such as distance protection, differential protection, and impedance-based protection. This is because the standard allows for the exchange of high-speed and synchronized data between devices, enabling faster and more accurate fault detection and isolation. Recent developments include the introduction of IEC 618500905, which defines a common data model for substation devices. This development will facilitate the seamless integration of different systems and enable utilities to leverage data from all aspects of the grid. As a result, utilities can limit the damage caused by faults and reduce the cost of repair. As the demand for electricity continues to grow and the grid becomes more complex, the need for advanced protection schemes will only become more apparent. By embracing IEC 61850, utilities can enhance the reliability, efficiency, and sustainability of their power systems while providing customers with the highest quality of service. If you want to learn more about IEC 61850 or explore our substation automation solutions, visit our website. Thank you for watching. This can lead to extended outages and increased damage to equipment. Furthermore, the grid must be more resilient in the face of extreme weather events such as hurricanes, floods, and wildfires. To meet these challenges, we need a smarter grid that can adapt and respond quickly to changing conditions. But what does a smart grid really mean? However, achieving a smart grid is not easy. It requires a fundamental shift in the way we design, operate, and protect our power systems. Introducing IEC 61850, the International Electrotechnical Commission's 61850 standard, also known as the Sampled Value Mirror Protocol, is a communication protocol specifically designed for protection and control systems in power systems. It enables the digital exchange of high-speed, synchronized, and accurate data between devices, which is crucial for faster and more efficient fault detection and isolation. IEC 61850 was developed to address the shortcomings of traditional analog and teleprotection systems by providing a common language for different systems to communicate. In a nutshell, IEC 61850 facilitates the seamless integration of various grid components such as sensors, circuit breakers, relays, and control centers. But why is this important? Improved grid reliability and availability. IEC 61850 enables utilities to implement more robust and reliable protection schemes that can detect and isolate faults more quickly and accurately. Faster response times to faults. IEC 61850 enables utilities to reduce the time it takes to detect and isolate faults from minutes to milliseconds. Enhanced situational awareness. IEC 61850 enables utilities to collect and share data from various sources, providing a comprehensive view of the grid status. Reduced cost of ownership. By improving the reliability and efficiency of the grid, IEC 61850 can help utilities reduce the cost of ownership over time. So what does the future hold for IEC 61850? The standard is constantly evolving to meet the changing needs of the power industry. In conclusion, IEC 61850 is a critical enabler of smart grid protection, providing a standardized framework for secure and reliable communication between devices in the power grid.